keep the tension steady on the primary line.
Roger that, spooling out slowly now. The ground is soft here.
Verifying weight distribution now. Hardpoint stress confirms balance tolerance.
Slow now, keep it steady on your side. It's scraping hard, almost through. Just a little more on the jack.
A robotic manipulator arm carefully loops a stabilizing steel cable around the lower aft fuselage section.
Check the load distribution here. Ensure the pins are locked tight. We can't afford any slippage.
Hold it there, we have contact on the rear cradle.
Sparks on the port side, shearing the rust.
Alignment looks good, lowering confirmed.
Load distribution stable, maintain course. We have clearance on the starboard side.
Sling secured at all strong points, character B.
Confirmed. Bridge crane, you are clear for the load transfer. Slow and steady.
We need more coverage on the starboard side.
Okay, I'm heading over there now.
Okay, this access panel is clear. How's the corrosion around the seams? Looks superficial, but we'll flag it for the level 2 inspection. Okay, ease now. Clear the pylon. Watch your hydraulics pressure. We are clear. Bring her down slow.
Okay team, synchronized lift sequence initiated.
Roger that. Engine 3 clear.
Engine 1 clear. Proceed with descent.
That's exactly what we expected to see at the carry-through. Note the corrosion on the spars.
Yes, the readings are stable.
With the starboard wing removed, we can see the immense structural frame and the deep corrosion within the fuel tanks.
Okay, she's clear. Take it up slow. Copy that. Lifting now. Watch the clearance on the inboard side. All clear on the port side. Bring it up another 5 feet. Slow and steady. Check the trailing edge distortion on blade 42.
Reads within tolerance after the final polish.
Final torque check on the actuator bolt. Go ahead and cycle the gear.
Torque is good. Cycling the gear now. Smooth movement confirmed. The tolerances are extremely tight here. Slow and steady.
Agreed. Torque wrench set to the required specification.
Smooth retraction on phase 4. The repair holds.
Excellent. That meets specifications.
Lower the gantry slowly. We need precise alignment on the main spar before securing the jig.
Hold it steady, just a few more inches.
Okay, alignment is good. Start the bolts.
Moving to the next section now.
We have a clean reading here, structurally sound. Bring her down another 2 inches, slowly. Steady, confirmed alignment. Okay, let's connect the fuel lines.
The final two F-138 turbofan engines, 3 and 4, are simultaneously installed, completing the power plant assembly.
All right, bring her down another inch, very slowly.
Confirmed, watching the starboard side clearance.
Steady, steady, we are seated. All right, bring it down another 2 inches. Copy that, watching the starboard side clearance.
Tolerances are perfect.
Confirmed. Ready for the next one.
Power engaged on GPU 4. We have green across the board. Copy that. Flow is nominal. Initiating system checks now.
Phase 6 pre-flight check, hydraulics. Yoke free and correct, engineer.
Displays are green, rudder cycling smooth.
Advancing throttles to medium, checking engine parameters.
Power stable, all readings normal.